Oh no, the sun is so bright. You're almost blinded by the light. Your sunglasses are out of reach. Your sun visor cuts off your view, so you struggle and strain to see what's ahead. And since you can't pull over, you risk driving into the dangerous glare instead. Stop driving in blinding glare and light. With VisClear HD, the revolutionary high-definition car visor that clips on almost any visor and flips down with just a finger to help diffuse sun glare during the day and bright light glare at night, so you can see with remarkable high-definition color and HD clarity in almost any light, day or night. VisClear HD uses color definition and refraction technology to help diffuse glare while enhancing color and brightness so you can see with HD contrast, clarity and confidence. In the daytime, sunlight glare can literally blind you in a split second while driving. But with just a flip, VisClear HD can help diffuse the glare, providing you with enhanced color and clarity for a high-definition view that is unobstructed and crystal clear. Even if you wear prescription glasses, VisClear HD helps give you the sun and glare protection you may need. At night, oncoming headlights, streetlights, neon signs, and even bad weather can make seeing anything while driving at night dangerous. But just flip down the VisClear HD night lens and you've got high-definition clear vision with incredible color and clarity. Flip it down and see the difference with your own eyes. No more sunglasses that are out of reach, sun visors that cut off your line of sight, or being blinded by the light. In glaring sun, transitional morning or evening light, or on a road in the dark of night, VisClear HD is the clear choice for high-definition vision while driving day or night. Don't waste your money on expensive sunglasses and night driving glasses when you can always have crystal clear high-definition vision at your fingertips with VisClear HD. Stop squinting and straining to see while you're driving day or night. Get VisClear HD and see what you're missing. Buy your VisClear HD car visor right now and see the difference as soon as you drive home.